Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss about the important MCQs for fishery science Jrf. Let's start the questions. The first fishes from Upper Cambrian period are known as which fishes are from Upper Cambrian fishes? These fishes are ostracoderms. These are from Upper Cambrian fishes. Next, the scientific name of lizard fish. What is the scientific name of lizard fish? It is Saurida tumble is the lizard fish. Next, the caudal fin is in the Bombay duck, which is the caudal fin also. It is called a trilobed or bilobed. How many lobes are present in Bombay duck caudal fin? 3 types of lobes are present in the Bombay duck caudal fin. So it is a trilobed. Next, dash is the world's largest living arthropod. Largest they are asking. Which is the largest among this? It is the mantis shrimp. Is the largest one. Next, the scientific name of kuruma shrimp is Marsupinis japonicus is the scientific name of kuruma shrimp. Next, Saculina is a root-headed barnacle parasitic on which is parasitic effect which shows on mole crab. It is a parasitic. Next, the following state has the highest marine fish production in India. Which state has the highest marine fish production in India? It is Maharashtra, Gujarat or Kerala or Tamil Nadu. Gujarat having the highest marine fish production in India. Next, the guts of millet fish carry a characteristic feature which is known as which is the character of millet fish they are asking. For millet fish, there is a spiral valve or gastric mill. No, these are not present in that fish. So the gizzard is present in the millet fish. Next, the isometric growth means iso means all of you know that it is equal, which occurs here. B is equal to 3, less than or more than, it is not iso. Iso means equal. So B is equals to 3. Next, the gonopodia are the primary sex characters or secondary sex characters or both of the above, which it is having the secondary sexual character is the gonopodia in fishes. Next, the fish detect food by the sight or lateral line system or smell and taste, all of the above. How can it detect the food? They are asking. It is by vision also it can detect it, and also lateral and also it is a sensory organ, and also by smell and taste. So all of the above. Next, the index of preponderance is associated with the gut content analysis or reproductive analysis or conduction factor analysis or percentage eligibility analysis. It is the gut content analysis. Next, in one better land fee growth formula, K stands for. Here the K indicates the curvature parameter in the Bernoulli growth formula. Next is dash scales are developed from the excretory activity of the both dermis and epidermis. Which type of scales are formed in the secretion? In the secretion it forms the placoid scales. Next, the aerobic metabolism in cells of body by using the oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide from the body is called. Here the aerobic metabolism in cells they are asking of body by using the oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide is mainly by the respiration process. Next, the specific gravity of seawater fish is how much the specific gravity they are asking. How much? It is having 105% of specific gravity in seawater fishes. Next, the dash fish eyes have the lid-like have the lead-like nictitating membranes which helps in the cleaning the surface of the cornea. Which type of fishes having this nictitating membranes in the cornea surface? Which fish having this? It is having the sharks. Next, the ecdysis is means it is a process of spawning or enlargement of shell or the formation of new exoskeleton in place of old exoskeleton or the fattening of shellfishes. Ecdysis is forms in which part it forms the formation of new exoskeleton in place of old exoskeleton. This process is known as ecdysis. Next, the stain used for the marking shellfishes. Which type of stain we use here? We use the trifans. Next, the gills are present on pleopod in it is present in the stomatopod. Next, the marked recovery method helps in species identification or estimation of fecundity or the breeding season identification or aging. Which is the method helps in mark recovery they are asking. Aging. Next, the dash tag is mostly used for studying the fish. Which tag we use for studying fish they are asking. It is the spaghetti tag we use for studying fish. Next, dash in crustaceans is controlled by the juvenile hormone from the X gland or sinus gland, and echidistone from the Y gland is the gonadal maturation or the reproduction or molting or pituitary secretion. It is mainly due to the molting occurs in the crustaceans. To replace the old organs, it is called the Y gland. It is replaced by the X hormones. Next, the dash are responsible for the sense of touch, hearing, and position. Which type of organisms are used for? Here, the dash organs or dash are responsible for the sense of touch, hearing, and position. Which is responsible? Which type of receptors they use for touch, hearing, as well as the position? Mechanoreceptors are used for this purpose. Next, the elasmobranchs possesses a low density oil named which having the low density. It is called squalene. It is mostly present in the elasmobranchs, example sharks. Next, the ammonia produced in the liver of fish is converted into the non-toxic form in the blood is called, which is that form in the blood. It is the glutamine which converts the ammonia into the non-toxic form. Next, animals that maintain an osmotic difference between their body fluids and the surrounding environment are considered as which animals maintains this difference? It is the osmoregulators. For osmoconformers, both are having the same in the body fluids as well as the surrounding environment, but osmoregulators maintains this difference. Next, the dash fish has the high water content of about 95%. Which fishes are having about 95% water content? All of you know that in Bombay duck having the highest amount of water content. Next, in edible oysters, the dash larvae changes into spat after the 14 to 19 days, which changes into spat in these edible oysters. It is the pedivaliger. It is the larvae which changes into the spat. In 14 to 19 days, its name is called as pedivaliger. Next, the primitive larvae of crustacea is a nauplus or zoea or Drocophoromyces, which is the primitive in the crustacea. It is the nauplus is the primitive larvae. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos, you can subscribe my channel